So many of us in this region, we arrive here and then we start working from home. It's our natural sort of starting place. But working from home, pretty much you find the limitations pretty soon. It's quite isolating. You're on your own, and you're just not being able to get that flow and soundboard with like-minded people. And what the workshop really is a facility that brings together like-minded people, right, in a place where we can actually not only give birth to new ideas and new products, but actually develop and build out all the R&D that needs to be carried out for development of the product. So for example, having a space where we can make a huge mess, we can have all the tools and all different types of machinery and expertise all in the one building, all in the one facility. And suddenly that really starts speeding up your ability to get through R&D, to get through the milestones that you need to get through to further any product idea.